Hey everyone, Abbas here from Golden Motor. I am trying to put my Bafang BBSHD on this bike and I'm not getting good clearance on the motor, so it's time to make more clearance on this bike. So not having too much ground clearance is most of the time it's not a big issue, especially if you're commuting or you're cruising or just regular gravel riding or even light trail riding. You're not going to be hitting anything on the motor. It's pretty well protected and it doesn't affect you. But if you're jumping off rocks and you're doing like heavy trail riding, you want to maximize the amount of clearance that you get. So this is a 27.5 medium frame bike. And you're still getting, it's hanging pretty low, but you're still getting about 7.5 inches, about 19 centimeters of clearance. But I want to maximize the amount of clearance that I can get. So what you can do is at the bottom, you can shave off with the Dremel tool, or you can use an angle grinder, which I'm going to be using, and just shave it off just a little bit so you can get, 2 or 3 millimeters can do wonders for you. So I'm gonna do that right now. Safety first, let me get my helmet. Grinding time.